Pickup pools, a truck bed swimming pool. Turn your pickup truck into a pool and ignite your outdoor party experience. It's time to say goodbye to tarps, bungee cords, and ropes and say hello to the pickup pool. The pickup pool instantly transforms the bed of your pickup truck into a relaxing, above-ground pool. It is the ultimate portable pool and a great way to cool off anywhere. Just pull the corners of the pickup pool over the corners of your truck bed, fill with water, and let the party begin. Although the idea of having a pool in the back of a truck is nothing new, the guys over at Pickup Pools have designed and patented their idea. It's made of tough, durable 20mm PVC and has a dimensions of 70 inches by 74 inches by 24 inches and size of 5.5 feet, short bed. The PVC material stretches to fit the bed of your truck. All you have to do is just fill the bed up with the water. Pickup pool is completely safe for your truck. It folds over the edge so it won't ruin the paint. That comes with the built-in draining system which allows you to drain water without lowering the tailgate. Click the link below in the description to know more about this amazing product.